Aussie dollar. So I think this pair is pretty much burned out for the month. I drew this out at the start of the month, and you can see it move directly down exactly what I drew, which is pretty crazy. Usually, price doesn't go straight down like this, but it did. So that's good. You can see it broke the 6,500 level and retested a few times, came back in and broke right even lower, and now it's sitting right above 6,400. So I do think it's going to break this level. I just don't see it going down much further the rest of the month. But I do see a couple things. I do see the Aussie currency getting weaker, which would bring this pair down, and the US dollar getting stronger via the dollar index, which I'll look at later, but I do believe it's still going up. So that's going to force this down more. So I think next month this is also going to be a good short. We'll just have to wait for then. So this week I don't expect much out of this. We'll see if it breaks this little zone here, which I think it will. I think clean up this line here. You got a little area of support here that I think it will break, 63.8 ish. Yeah, right around there. So that needs to be broken. I mean, obviously it's going to have to break below 64 on the daily, which it seems to be really struggling, but I do think it's going to break that. And then, yeah, we'll be looking for a possible, I mean, this moves, let's see what the updated is. So it usually moves about 363 pips, and it's at 359 this month already. So pretty sure it's pretty much burnt out for the month. You can see there is a heavy monthly support liquidity area here. So that might be a factor going into next month. You can see price on this month super bearish engulfing. It doesn't get more engulfing than that, but yeah, right into this zone. So we'll see how it functions going into this week and then into the following week, which would be the start of the month, and we'll see how price moves within that, because this is obviously a major zone that it needs to overcome. But I think it will. Oh, right on. We got more trades. I think it will, and then yeah, I think it's going to be a big short for next month as well. So I'm going to clean up this zone because it's in my way. And then for next month, we're looking at probably another 350 pips, and it'll be after price, let's say, to give you guys a bit of a possible soon entry. I mean, just based on this, I would be looking at this, but I'd be looking at it for next month. So breaking this area here fully, and then looking for something like this all the way down, and you will target the full 350 pips, because I mean, if the high for the month, so let's say the high for September happens within not this upcoming trading week, but the following week, the first week of September, if price finds its high for the month, and let's say it's in here, then we're pretty much good to go, right? So like if price breaks, let's say this happens, if price breaks, so this is September 1st, this blue line here, if price breaks through here, let's say down into this zone, then it comes back up the first week of September, let's say. Okay, man, this is bugging me here. Stupid lines here. And then it pulls back up something like this, let's say, back into the zone, retests and fails. That's our entry and that's our high for the month, which means our low for the month is 350 pips down roughly. So right at the 60 level, this nice whole number, right at 60 cents. So I think that's going to be a good take on Aussie dollar. Just looking at this right now, obviously this is a couple weeks early, a couple weeks in the making, so we'll know more then. But price is way below on the daily. I do see the Aussie dollar just getting weaker, and I do see the US dollar getting stronger. So price is way below the 4 hour, below the 1 hour. I mean, this is as bearish as it comes. So that is what I'm waiting for Aussie dollar, letting it break this zone, retesting, and then looking for an entry for next month and riding it all the way down. Basically the exact same thing that happened this month. If you would have sold this at the start of this month on August 1st, you would have been up quite a bit, and you would have been in no drawdown the entire time. You would have just made money every single day pretty much. So, and then on areas that it pulled up, like right here, you would have just added to your positions, because you see all this rejection here and all this bearish momentum. Then you got bearish momentum, a little bit of pullback, boom, take another position. Bearish momentum, a little bit of a pullback, take a position. So you just add to your winning positions all the way down and ride this monthly trend. So that's what I intend to do for next month and make a bunch of money off of it. I will keep you guys posted. Just let me know in the comments what you want to see, and I will do so. And if you need more information, if you need to talk setups, if you need any more extra advice, especially because I'm going to be on vacation soon, I have a WhatsApp group you guys can join. It is $15 a month, but I promise you it's worth it because you will get a lot of value from it, and you will make your money back. I promise. Like, all you have to do is just learn through me, through my trade entries. I give you all the entries, the exits. I'll talk you through any potential setups you might have, any ideas, and we'll go from there. And I'm always going to respond to that group before I respond to YouTube. I mean, YouTube is just extra, right? I post these videos for fun. I like doing the breakdowns, but at the end of the day, it's the WhatsApp group that I'm really interested in cultivating that trading group, right? And the people that are really interested in getting better. So that's my take on Aussie dollar, and I'll see you guys in the next one.